Welcome back to Talk of the Town. Cathy Ulmer is with us now. As you know, she's been a guest with us many, many times. We love talking with her about the Ulmer Family Pharmacy and Wellness Center. And good to see you.
Good to see you. Yes, we're back.
We're back. So let's just get basic.
Okay.
What are some of the services that you offer? And then I want to point out some very specific things.
So as a small pharmacy, we're able to offer compounding, which is specialty. We make a specific medication based on who you are, your weight, and those kind of things. We offer free delivery and curbside pickup. We also offer services like medication management, pill packing, and we do COVID testing. So when you're traveling, we can offer you that service.
Right. We were talking earlier about you really being a family pharmacy.
Yes, ma'am.
You treat your patients, your customers, if you will, as family,
Yeah.
but also your sister, and you started the
My
the
sister and I
business.
started the business, so we feel like it's a family affair in the first place. And we just like to say that when you come in, we're going to treat you like you're my family. I have my parents, which I help them with their medications, my aunts and uncles, and we just want you to feel like we care about your health as much as we would care about a family member's.
And so one of the ways you do that is with the medical management of the pills and,
Yes.
and all of the prescriptions. So help us understand how you do that.
So from kind of start to finish, depending on how many medications you're on, sometimes it's taking that moment to sit down and go over what medications you're on. Are you on multiple medications for the same disease state? Are you on medications that maybe you're using a medication to treat a side effect of a medication, or we can change that or optimize a medication? So we like to sit down and kind of go over all those things, go over side effects that could be occurring that maybe you don't realize are related to your medications, and then down even to the point where we sync them together, so you only make one trip to the pharmacy. And if in the case of those who have multiple medications, we can pack them into daily or morning and afternoon pill packs, which can give you just that, like, okay, so I know what I'm taking, I know I am taking it, and now I know I am taking it. It's kind of just the whole process.
And it's good for kids of older parents.
Yes.
Because they can see my mom and dad took these
Right.
medications and whatever, so it's
Because
very
you can't
helpful.
always be there. You might not be able
Right.
to stop by once a week and fill medication boxes. So if you're worried that they're not getting them or forgetting them, and it's not their fault or yours, but if you have these pill packs that they rip off, they tear it open, they take their medications, at least you know that they're being consistent, and that gives you some kind of peace of mind.
Right. And let's talk pricing. So would your prices be higher than like a big box, like a Walgreens
It
or
really
CVS?
varies. These days with insurance companies, they're kind of all over the place. You have preferred and non-preferred, but we've even found in some cases when we're non-preferred, our prices, even with the insurance, are less.
Okay.
Or we have really good store pricing. So we offer that same kind of idea of like what generics or certain co-pays and lower costs, and we can really work with you on it to make sure we're keeping those prices as low as possible. So it's worth it to check pricing or see what we can offer.
And so any advice you have for our viewers about their medications and you utilizing you all as their pharmacy home?
Right. Just don't pharmacy shouldn't be stressful, and it shouldn't be exhausting, and it shouldn't be overwhelming. If you stick to a pharmacy, you get to know your pharmacist and their staff, and you really kind of take in all that information and let us help you with it and make your experience more pleasurable and less stressful. A good hometown pharmacy can do that for you.
We think about having a partnership with our doctor. We really don't think about that with our pharmacist, but I would think it's as important.
It is, and you see your pharmacist sometimes every month.
That's right.
You see your
That's
doctor
true.
once, maybe twice a year. So we're really there, and we can, monthly basis, maybe
Right.
3 months, but we see you a lot, and we can kind of catch things a little bit, especially because sometimes you see multiple doctors, you see them different times of the year. You're like, what was I doing over
and then
here?
I'm going
Did
to
I
the
take that?
specialist, and then my general.
Yeah, and we
practice.
take all those medications, we see them all together in one place
very
versus your
good.
doctor's kind of, like seeing them, in their just spectrum. So
Right.
it really helps bring healthcare all the way together.
Very good. Okay, Cathy, it is the Ulmer Family Pharmacy and Wellness Center. It is located on 68 Bluffton Road in Bluffton, and their website, I think it's important if you want to go check them out, is at ulmerpharmacy.com?
ulmerpharmacy.com, yes ma'am.
Kathy, thank you so much for being with us once again. Yes. And thank you all for joining us, and we'll be right back with Talk of the Town. Don't go away, everyone.